Hello, it's the season of Christmas lights, and this has to do with modular. That many of one of the questions that is asked most frequently when buying my power supplies is where to find AC adapters, and the answer is Christmas lights. They're all either 12 volt or 24 volts. So these two are 24 volts AC adapters. So very good to know that if nothing else, just buy some Christmas lights and you will get a nice AC adapter. So just a short one today, not feeling too well, so should go back inside and try to recover for tomorrow. So anyway, hope I'm not catching a cold or something worse, and yeah, get some Christmas lights, and after Christmas, build a power supply. Take care.